Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to coshx. And then if we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to sinhx dx. So this one in here, we change by u and you got about u square. Sinhx dx we change by du. The integration of this one, you got about r tan of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about coshx. And we put about c. Now we can use the same technique for the second one. And we can use about u equals to sinhx. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. So you got about du equals to coshx dx. So this one we change by u and you got about u square. Coshx dx we change by du. The integration of this one, you got about r tan of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.